Hi, boys and girls. I have yet another unpredictable vowel team for you. This vowel team you might be more familiar with. It's actually the double O sound, and I bet a lot of you learned about the double O probably back in maybe first or second grade. And two O's together have one of two sounds, and they still have a long sound and a short sound. It just isn't really the long vowel sound that you're familiar with. So we have the double O, which in its long sound says ooh, so it's like a long sound, ooh. And then it also says which is a short sound. Okay, so it's and ooh. And so you can see we refer to them as long and short, but they aren't really one of the traditional sounds of the long vowels or the short vowels that we would already know. Okay, so as we've been using, we are using the chips. The blue one are the consonants. The orange is the digraph. This will be the long sound of the unpredictable and the most common, and then this will be the short sound. So this is ooh, and this is okay? All right, so I'll do the first two samples for you. The first word is hoot, oot. I heard an owl hoot. So it's the noise an owl would make, okay? So if I stretch it out and then bring my chips down, I have a blue for the sound. And ooh is our vowel sound, and it is the long sound of the double O. And then t, and that's the consonant sound. Oot. So hoot is our word, okay? Then, as I said, the other sound was a and that would be like in the word foot. Foot. It's a little bit of a sound. It's considered short because it's just real short when you say it. So t also has three sounds. F is the consonant. Is the short sound of that double O, and then t. T. Foot is our word. Okay. Now let's try some together. The first word we'll try together is swoop. Swoop. The owl will swoop out of the tree. Ready? Let's stretch it. Swoop. Swoop. Four sounds. Okay? So we hear the s, which is a consonant with the after it. So it's a consonant blend. Sw. And then ooh is our long one, and then the p as our consonant. Swoop. Swoop. Right? Now let's try the word brook. Brook. Let's stretch it. Brr. And brr is hard because you can hear the b sound in the Brr. They really blend together. Brr, k. Four sounds. A brook is a little river. So there's our BR combination. Brr, that's that short sound of the double O, and then a k sound at the end. Brook. Okay? Let's do just a few, and I'll try to think of the more challenging ones that you might not know these words. Swoosh. Swoosh. Now I have heard some people say this word like in swoosh, but it's really swish. Like I heard the wind swoosh between the trees. So swoosh. Okay, I hear four sounds, but there's more than four letters. So we have this sw, that's our SW blend. Is going to be what? Yes, it's going to be the short sound of our double O, and then the sh at the end of swoosh. That is our digraph. Swoosh. Okay. What about, here's a good one. I bet you've done a lot of these. Zoom. Ready? Here we go. Let's stretch it out. Zoom. Zoom. Three sounds. Z, ooh. Which one is the long sound? Yes, the dark purple. Ooh, zoom. Okay, very Very good. Let's see another unusual word. Doom. Doom. Do you know what doom means? Some people use the words gloom and doom. It's kind of like bad things will happen. Gloom and doom. So let's do doom. D-oom. 3 sounds again. It's really just changing that first sound. We have the blue chip for the D, and then ooh. Which one? Yes, the dark purple is the long sound of O, and then doom. Okay, very good. And let's try, what about crook? Crook. A crook could be another name for like a robber, a crook. Okay, crook. Okay, so we have the so that's our consonant blends at the beginning. Then the so which vowel sound would that be? It's the short sound of the double O. It's just like a and then a k at the end. Okay, so there's our consonant there. Okay, so I think you'll see that the double O is a little bit easier than some of the other sounds, maybe because they make kind of 2 completely different sounds. They're not exactly like other vowel sounds. So tomorrow or the next lesson, we'll see how we put the letters to those.